Today I'm gonna declutter and donate some cups and mugs that I no longer want, just different things. I've been thinking about doing this for a while. So I already found one that I don't want anymore. I'm gonna give this to my friend who is a competitive shooter, so I think he'll probably like this. I can't remember where I got this. I think maybe in Georgia. So these I've had since 2011, I think. I bought these for my barracks room when I was stationed in Hawaii, and then these are my husband's. I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. We'll be keeping those. My husband's stuff that he brought into our marriage, and just his plain wine glasses. We have a ton of wine glasses, but over in our we have like a wine cabinet thing, and I recently got rid of, I had a bunch of like margarita glasses, martini glasses, and I just don't really, I mean, I rarely drink hard liquor anymore, sometimes a margarita, but I just had no use for it because I don't make drinks at home anymore. And so I just sold them for like $5 to this girl, which is fine because I actually bought them originally for, I think I paid 10 cents each for the martini glasses, and then 50 cents each for the margarita glass. They were shaped like a cactus. They're actually pretty cool. But yeah, I didn't have a purpose for them, so I got rid of them. But yeah, these are all his. He's not here right now, he's fishing. So I'll just leave them as they are. And then this is just, gosh, I've had this thing since I was a kid. I'm gonna keep, I like it. I mean, oh, what is that? Oh, it's like sticky or something. But yeah, I should probably like eat out of it or something to make it useful. I tried getting rid of this and it is back in my cupboard. We bought this 4 years ago, used it once, and like I was briefly a barista like almost 20 years ago now. Feeling very old. And I was like, yeah, I can do the milk, like froth the milk and everything. It ended up exploding all over me. This I'm gonna get rid of. This I bought from a friend who I'm no longer friends with, and I don't use it. I use, well, I just washed it now. But I have a cute little tea kettle from Colonial Williamsburg. It's like a Felicity American Girl doll set. And I use that. I'll pour like the hot water in there and then make myself some tea. So no use for this. I don't think I've ever used this. Yeah, I'll donate this. So there are quite a few I want to get rid of. These ones definitely. I bought them for like cheap. I guess this one's real glass. I'm not sure. I don't know. I want to get rid of this one. It is a Surfer Girl one, but I'm gonna get rid of it. And then this, I think I got this thrifted, but we don't have a use for it because, I mean, I don't really drink, and none of these are drinks that my husband makes. I'll keep this one. This is from the Wright Brothers Memorial in North Carolina. I used to be in the habit of, whenever I travel somewhere when I was younger, I'd buy a glass, like a drinking glass like this, and a t-shirt and maybe a mug, and now I get magnets, but we're running out of room for those. I think I'll get rid of this one. It's used to say US Capitol. The top of it's just kind of chipping away. Yeah, these will all be donated. Totally forgot that I had these. To push those to the front. Actually, this one I'm getting rid of. I hate Rip Curl. It's a surfing brand, and they're kind of like anti-woman. So they dumped one of their pro surfers when she was pregnant, or after she got pregnant and had a child. Her name's Alana Blanchard. She's a pro surfer. Yeah, I think I just said that. Anyway, I bought this in a surf shop years ago, but yeah, I don't like Rip Curl. I forgot I had these. There's one from Assateague, my favorite island, Wild Pony Island. This is from a zip line on the Big Island. I don't know, I could get rid of it, but we'll see. And then Ivar's is like a seafood place, and it's popular in Washington State. And yeah, I think the rest of these I'll keep. Not sure what this is to, but I need to figure that out. And then I think I'm gonna get rid of this George Mason. I went there for school, I graduated, but I don't know. I'm not really a fan of the school anymore. They were not that great. They don't really hold their professors accountable. And I went during the pandemic and they were just like really terrible to their students. So, forgot I had some of these. Okay. Some of them are specifically tea mugs that I like. And ooh, I'm gonna bring this one to work actually. This one was thrifted. It was in one of my apartments. It was like a basement apartment that I rented. And I don't know, I used to use it just for Valentine's Day, but it's just kind of cozy and fun for just a cup of tea. Oh yeah, my husband, I think, do I have 2 of these? Anyway, my husband wanted to make, or I asked him to make me for like my birthday or something, or Christmas, a picture mug, and then I sent him some pictures to choose from to make into the mug, and he put all of them on one mug. Oh, I might, I don't know, this is just a generic Florida mug. Like, do I really need that? Oh, I forgot I had this. I'm just gonna get rid of these. I don't really like these. Canada and Maine, basically the same thing. Yeah, I think I'll just donate those. I think my mom gave this to me at one point, but look what it did. So I'm gonna have to clean that up. Yeah, I'll give this to my friend, see if he wants it. If not, a mug from, yeah, it's from New Jersey. I hate New Jersey. I don't even know, did I get this or did somebody gift this to me? I don't know. You know, I might try to sell this on Poshmark because people are always buying the state mugs. And then my old boss got this for me years ago when she went to Denver. Anyway, she ended up being a bitch, so bad juju. Okay, so I'm all finished. Put some mugs that I haven't used recently up front. This left half will be my tea cups, basically. Some of my state cups, and then some, there's my McCain 2008 mug. Look at this. I was drinking from it once, and somebody was like, is that Dick Cheney? Yeah, nostalgia. I used to get mugs everywhere I went. This was from 2009 actually when I got this, and this was from 2016. Mammoth Caves in Kentucky. I see a few Christmas mugs up here. Maybe I should just leave it because it's only 6 more months until Christmas. It's been 6 months since Christmas and it'll be another 6 months. Okay, let's see. So I think my best friend got that for me for my birthday one year. It is pretty fun. I do put like milkshakes in there and stuff, or I make like ice cream floats in there. All right, let's take a look. All right, so I'm gonna keep everything up here. So my friend got me this little teacup. That's my husband's Wounded Warrior glass. I can keep these things. I might get rid of that. I just thrifted it, this blue one. I might get rid of it. My little drinking glasses, just like little ice cubes, and I don't know. And then my little cactus glass my husband got me from Etsy. And then these are all Buca de Beppo's. Oh my goodness. Who did that? Was that me? That needs to be cleaned. And Rainforest Cafe I really like these. I do use these for root beer floats. Yeah, that is disgusting. It's just ice cream probably, but wash that. This is for my oatmeal and let's see, granola, things like that. We just went to this winery. I got this in 2017 or 2018, and then we just went to the winery this weekend, same one, and I was like, oh, I've been here. Keep that. Family winery, my cousin's winery. Anyway, and then this is I got this at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but it's for soup. It's for taking soup to work and then microwaving it. Obviously without the lid, I guess. It is fall themed, but oh well. I love Snoopy. My little pineapple. I'm just gonna leave the Christmas stuff since we're already halfway back to Christmas. So, yeah. Bunch of lids that I knocked over onto the floor that I'm now gonna have to wash. And then this, you know what? I'm gonna take this out. I made this years ago for my Appalachian road trip, and from 2009, and I just stuck pictures in there. And it's plastic on the inside, and I'm trying to convert to everything to like metal. So I'm slowly getting rid of stuff, but I might just keep this as like, I don't know, keepsake. Which is what leads to hoarding. And then I'm going to, this is super fun. This is like a little fake coconut. I'm gonna get rid of this. I haven't used this in years, and it is plastic. It's been in my storage for a while, or was in my storage for a while. I'm just gonna get rid of it. This is probably from the 70s. I don't know, this belonged to my grandma. And I don't, who knows? It probably has lead in it or something. And then this I got in the early 2000s in Seattle, the Celtic cup, but I'm gonna donate that, and then, or maybe sell it, we'll see. And then this is just like a little tiki cup I got in Hawaii many years ago. I'm gonna get rid of that. And then this is my other get rid of pile, or my main get rid of pile. Actually, we're not getting rid of these. I don't know why these are over there. And then, so this is from, I got this at Woodland Park Zoo in Seattle in 2006. I'm gonna get rid of it, obviously. And then I think I bought this, and I don't want it anymore. The Pentagon is just so lame. I've been there so many times, and it's just a disaster trying to find your way inside, and it's just blah. So, not gonna do that. And then this one I got is a museum near Fort Bragg, North Carolina, or whatever it's called now. They changed the names of pretty much all the bases. But I don't know. I'm gonna see if my friend who's really into military history wants this. He was also my old platoon sergeant in my unit. So, and now we work together. But I'm gonna see if he wants that, and see if my husband wants any of these. And then get rid of that one. Getting rid of a lot. And a few things over here too.